Today, I'm going to teach you how to download a file as a PDF in Adobe Express. This is particularly useful when you need to preserve your design's formatting or share a document that maintains its layout across different devices and platforms. First, open your web browser and navigate to new.express.adobe.com. This will take you to the Adobe Express homepage where you can access all your projects and files. Once the page loads, you'll see your workspace with various options and recently edited files displayed on the screen. Now scroll down until you reach the Recent Files section. This area shows all the projects you've been working on lately, making it easy to find what you need without searching through folders. Look through your recent files and select the specific file you want to download as a PDF. Simply click on it to open the file in the editor. With your file now open, direct your attention to the upper right corner of the screen. Here you'll find the download button. This is your gateway to exporting your work in various formats. Click on Download to proceed to the next step. After clicking Download, you'll see several export options appear. Navigate to the File Format section and click on the drop-down menu. This menu contains all the different file types you can export your design as from the list of available formats. Select PDF Standard Best for documents. This option ensures that your file is optimized specifically for document viewing and sharing, maintaining proper text rendering and image quality. Before finalizing the download, you have an optional setting to consider. You'll notice a checkbox beside Add Accessibility Tags. If you want to make your PDF more accessible to people using screen readers or other assistive technologies, go ahead and check this box. This step is particularly important if you're creating content for a diverse audience or if accessibility compliance is required for your project. Once you've made your selection and decided whether to include accessibility tags, click the Download button to proceed. Your browser will begin processing and downloading the PDF file. Depending on the size of your document and your internet connection, this might take a few moments. The file will save to your default download location, typically your Downloads folder, and you'll be able to access it immediately once the download completes. And there you have it. You've successfully converted and downloaded your Adobe Express file as a PDF, ready to be shared, printed, or stored for future use. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.